Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be opening up 4 blisters and then 110.
We were searching all over Walmart.
Yeah.
Not Walmart, Target.
Yeah, Target, Ithaca, and then
we
Best
found
Buy
some.
too.
Best Buy, nothing.
Yeah,
They're all sold out.
We found that at Target, but yeah.
Yeah, because we were using the thing to search it up, and then we were just looking for stuff. So let's get to the pet. No, let Hulkamania open them.
Here you go. Yeah, so guys, I'll be doing a Shiny Star reopening soon.
And I'm gonna be here too because I'm gonna have a box coming.
Yep, we're gonna do that. Yep.
Hulk open this?
Right.
Okay. Say, get out of here.
Alright. Code card, actually. Because I saw Pokecham's comment before. Yes, I will actually do what I just did every time. Chatot. Octopus.
You got a comment?
Yeah. Yep, I got a comment. Right over. Okay, hold on.
Looks like it's opening stuff.
Yeah, so I'll show the, like I just did before.
Yeah, we're really sorry. It's just probably because we were in kind of a hurry.
Yeah, in a hurry. So it's just easier to show the actual code cards.
Or you could just pause the video on like.
Yeah, I just paused the video, but it just doesn't focus in.
Well, yeah, for some time.
Bronzor, Toxel, Alphon, Milo, and Galarian Brisker.
Say, I'm gonna open it right here. Hey guys, tell me if you like my name Hulk, or tell me in the comments if I should change it.
Alright. Fire Energy, Indeedee, Skywalk, Electrode, Snover, Trubbish, Pidove, Helioptile, Voltorb, Dracvolk, and Textricity. Regular rare. Jeez. Hulk, can you open up the next pack right here? Here you go. Alright, this is the code card.
Is this the last pack?
Yeah, for me.
The last pack. Sorry. Kind of interfered right there. Come on, guys. Let's get something good, even though it's not my pack.
Alright. I'm not gonna get anything. Alright. Return Hulk.
Oh, did you get hit?
Well, yep. And there's just an explosion over here. Because, yep. Hulk.
Hulk's trying to clean up because I have to clean this up. Oh, wait. Okay. Gotta reverse hollow.
Again. Whatever. Just get your way.
Here's mine.
Get something.
Just swipe these off. Just swipe those
Yep.
off. Here's my pin. Open this. Somehow. Got it. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite Pikachu? Or what's your favorite Pokemon?
Besides Charmander.
And Charizard.
Yeah, so I'm
Just leave it.
Code card. Fusion, yep, you can get those up.
My 4 packs. So I got an Evolutions. Sun and Moon. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion. Okay. I'm gonna open up Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. First, yeah. Code card.
Sit down. Yeah, you can start to see that.
1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning energy. Guzma.
Guzma, Super Scoop, Mighty Ball, Inca, Crabballer, Dynamo, Tangle, Reverse Hollow Pikachu, and the Passion regular rare.
Okay.
Are we even gonna get anything?
I don't know.
You should open the Burning Shadows first, but you're gonna get that Hollow Charizard. I'm gonna
Sun and
freak
Moon.
out.
Regular Sun and Moon.
Yep.
Gold card.
Alright, that's good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hypno, Big Melisada, Skarmory, Caterpie, Sandygast, Ragnarok, and a Mushroom.
Okay, evolutions or Sun and Moon? I'm going
Crimson
Sun and Moon.
Invasion. You're gonna get
Come on, guys. Crimson Invasion. Don't jinx me.
Alright, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Psychic Energy. I'm just not gonna say anything. Are we even gonna get a Hollow? We're gonna get a Hollow
Let's check,
Charizard.
guys.
We're gonna get a freaking Hollow Charizard.
Don't stop saying that.
Hollow Charizard.
Stop
Hollow
saying
Charizard.
that.
Put it on camera so they know if you get a Hollow Charizard.
Stop saying that. Code card. Okay, I'm gonna be back here.
You're gonna get something.
This one.
Yep, you're gonna get something good. Just put it on camera. Okay, non-tails Hollow. Why did you put the rare on the front?
I didn't.
You did. This is the rare.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I mean, you did get a reverse Hollow. All we got is this on the last
Still
pack.
good.
That's first. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
I got the
guys.
best cards because I got this.
guaranteed of one that. All right. Well, another video.
Out the window.
Yep. For
$40.
$40. Well, I mean, this still happens to me. So, yeah. We'll see you guys.
I'm gonna rip this reverse hollow.
Alright, well. Bye, guys.
Ripped.
Yep. So, again. the
Hulk
Shiny Star-
hates Pokemon right now.
Shiny Star V opening soon in about a month. So, yeah. See you guys then. Bye.